Today, I wanted to show you specifically how you can get more information from your ImageWorks panos utilizing the multiple focal plane capability. This unique feature is applicable whether you're using a Panora 18S, which is a dedicated pan or parent-ceph system, or if you're using the pano modality of the Xera cone beam system from ImageWorks. Every ImageWorks pano that it's taken is actually capturing over 50 different pano layers or focal layers. As a reminder, this does not take any additional time, nor does it produce any additional radiation. The pan that is automatically shown on the screen is typically the optimal pan. And one of the benefits of capturing all these focal planes is that the system can overcome suboptimal anatomy or positioning to still generate a fantastic pan. However, there's another benefit of capturing all these focal planes, which I also wanted to show you. Because every patient is different, sometimes there are specific areas of the anatomy that you would like to further optimize for. The secret is that all of these focal planes are at your fingertips, and you can use them to dig deeper if you would like. Here's how it works. Here's a sample pano that we manually adjusted to make it look like the patient was positioned slightly behind the focal plane, or slightly too far back. You can see here that the maxillary anteriors are slightly distorted horizontally. In other words, they look wider. This is a common symptom of suboptimal patient positioning. Once you've captured the pano on the screen, simply adjust the position indicator, and it virtually will move the patient forward or backward. In this case, we're going to move the focal plane backward, which is the equivalent of moving the patient forward, and view the pano from this focal plane. Again, this is purely done in software. This is not doing anything with the actual patient. When we do this, we can zoom in and see how the apices of both mandibular and maxillary anteriors come into focus. Now, what's also nice is that you can save as many of these panos to your imaging software that you like. After each adjustment, just click OK and that version will be saved. We can do further adjustment if we'd like to further optimize. Just follow the same process. As mentioned, we can now go into our imaging software. This could be Dexis, EagleSoft, SoftDent, or whatever you're using. In this case, we're using EvaSoft. As you can see, the 3 versions of the pano were all saved in the patient study. If I bring 2 of these panos up side by side, you can see the improvement that I made to the anterior apices. As a reminder, the pano on the right is the one where the patient was positioned too far back, and the pano on the left is the one that we corrected to optimize. As a reminder, both panos were extracted from the same scan of the patient. Had I taken that original panoramic scan with any other panoramic machine, I would have been stuck. Either I would have had to just accept the lack of information, or I would have had to rescan the patient. I hope you find this useful. If you have any questions or would like to speak with one of our specialists, please reach out to us.